Discuss about how to create a button by using auto layout storyboard. Today I am going to discuss about how to create a button by using auto layout storyboard. So first of all we can UI view controller, drag down on storyboard UI view controller. We can zoom and UI view controller, and we can UI view. This is a content view. We can apply this constraint 000. We can accept all screen fill. This is a rename content view. So this is a content view. We can change this background color. Yes, this is a content view. We can today I am going to discuss about how to create a button by using storyboard auto layout UI button. We can drag off on screen. We can apply on constraint, and this is a horizontally in container, vertically in container. We can apply to constraint, and another constraint top, bottom, left, and trailing, width and height. So your choice, apply this constraint. This is a button. We can change the size 34, and we can style heavy. We can change text color. This is the red, and we can background color. This is the change background color, yellow. This is a button. We can create an outlet UI view controller. This is a UI view controller. We can assign the class. This is a use of outlet. So command N. We can Coca touch class, UI view controller, button, UI view controller. We can create and use. So assign this class of button view controller, button view controller. We can assign class button view controller. We can create outlet button view controller. We can access this button, content view button, control press, drag up of view load function upper, button instance. So we can initial view controller. We can run storyboard initial view controller. We can run. We can run using of button. This is the button and use of button. We can class load method. This is a button instance dot layer dot corner radius equal to 12.0. We can run, apply this button corner radius of initialize. This is a handler type. This is a corner radius apply. Corner radius. This is a applied of ordinary letters. So we are going to create a button by using storyboard layout. Thank you for watching this video. We can use storyboard layout, auto layout.